Can you start off with kind of what's happening in the EU?
Yeah. It's been kind of a mess. So you probably all heard about the GDPR. That was an exercise that mandated that everyone who writes emails go away for a workshop on writing an email begging you to resubscribe. On the day that the GDPR dropped, the European Union Committee that is drafting the next copyright directive, the first update in 17 years, they introduced language that had formerly been ruled out of the copyright directive that says that everyone who builds a service that allows the public to upload a potential copyrighted work, whether that's text or still images, video, games, code, sounds, you have to build an upload filter that does a kind of black box machine learning lookup against a corpus of known copyrighted works and prevents a work from being posted if you think it's copyrighted. You have to allow anyone to bulk upload new copyrighted works into the training data for this ML system with no penalties for people abusing it. Like, I could take all of the text ever posted to Wikipedia and dump it into the machine learning algorithm run by, say, WordPress and lay claim to its copyright. I would face no penalties and no one could quote Wikipedia on WordPress ever again. And then in addition to that, they've created a link tax where anyone who links to a newspaper or any news article has to get a license. And not just one license, there'll be 28 different versions of what part of the link you have to license, one in each country. And it means that Wikipedia and other projects won't be able to link to the web. So any of you who are Europeans, saveyourinternet.eu is the place to go. We have until the 20th before this committee decides whether or not to refer this language up to the European Parliament. And it's probably the most urgent thing going on the internet right now. So please tell your European friends, saveyourinternet.eu.